So Sweetie, today's recipe is a mind-blowing. You did not see this one coming. It's a really mind-blowing. So welcome Sweeties to Cook with Grace Kiswell.
So I have to open and extract the juice.
So Sweeties, dishes day. Now you never want to try make dishes. So today's video is something I say is mind-blowing, and it is something that I would say is a must try. Try it and thank me later. Welcome to my return subscribers, and to my new subscriber, thank you once again for joining the family. And to those that have been watching with us, subscribing, what are you waiting? Please, I beg you, please click on the subscribe button, subscribe, like, and get notified anytime I post a new video. I love you, so enjoy this video. Okay.
So Sweeties, after extracting the juice from 5 oranges, this is what we have. So I'm going to set it aside and go straight to the next one. Okay. So Sweeties, these are full chicken. So what we do next is to cut the chicken. So Sweetie, I'm done cutting the chicken into smaller pieces. So all I did do now is to wash.
Sweetie, add your butter in your pan, allow it to melt. Make sure your butter melts well. I heard that a lot of people say they like hearing my voice. So after melting the butter, the next thing you do is to put your chopped onions. Then you allow it steamer to bring out that flavor, that sweet, juicy flavor. That's what you will do. Then the next thing we do is to add our garlic and ginger, and you stir and allow it to steamer again to bring nice flavor.
Once our garlic and ginger come, right, I'll be adding pepper flakes. And I'll be adding clove, just 3 seeds of clove. Next is to add our chicken. So all I'll do now is to add my oregano, salt, seasoning cube, masala, okay? I'll be adding paprika. And let's give it till we cover it.
Is water from the chicken that I use in steaming the chicken. Now him be that I know add water at all, so make you know add water. Now the chicken water you go allow make you use, so use cook itself.
So it seems the meat has cooked complete. So now we'll be adding the oranges. Now we'll stir. After adding the orange juice, you stir it. We'll check our chicken. See the way it is moving.
Now this one and they talk Apicalamo Wanana zim no fe Emanana masuze Botu no fe Botu na so awa just they do so koto Ayo na de miss.
A lot of people don't know what they are missing. So Sweetie, sweet corn, green bean. I'll be adding carrots. We'll add bell peppers. We'll stir. Once you add all these things, you lower the heat and allow it to cook, okay? Okay, I'll add spring on it. Once you add all these things, allow it 5 minutes. Sweetie. Uh-huh. Oh, oh my god, the aroma is killing. It is killing. Oh, sauce is ready. Oh my god. Oh, the aroma. Just garnish parsley, okay? So you can pair it with rice, with yam, whatever you feel like pairing it with. I hope you try it, and I love you, sweetie. See you all on my next one, okay?